In this video, I will show you how to make this basic crochet clutch for your Barbie doll, and in the next one, I will show you how to decorate and upgrade it, so subscribe because you don't want to miss it. Let's get started. To make this clutch, you will need embroidery thread, one skein will be enough, 2.5 millimeters crochet hook, scissors, needle and 2 stitch markers. Start making a slip knot and chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And now I will work single crochets in every this back bump. So this is the chain, we turn it, and in this back bumps we will just work single crochets, one in each place to the end of this chain. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the last one, number 9. Okay, stretch it a little bit so it's straight. And now just chain 1 and turn your work. And again, in every stitch, we will make one single crochet. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Here it is. Now again, chain 1 and turn your work, and you will make exactly the same, so just make 9 single crochets until you finish row number 8. So keep working, just making one single crochet in each stitch. In the end, chain 1, turn your work, and again 9 single crochets until you finish row number 8. This is what we have after row number 8. We will keep working, but this is the moment to add our stitch markers. I will start my row number 9 first because it's quite difficult to work in the stitch where you have the stitch marker already. So here after row number 8, I will again chain 1, turn my work, and here I will start row number 9. So I will make my first single crochet and I will place my stitch marker here where we already made a stitch to mark row number 8. Okay, so we start row number 9, but stitch marker is where we had row number 8. Continue making one single crochet in each stitch like previously. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here we will make exactly the same. We want to mark row number 8, but first we will make this last stitch for row number 9. So I will place my stitch marker here where I already had my crochet hook. Okay, so we marked row number 8, but we made row number 9. I hope it's clear and you can see it. Chain 1, turn your work, and we will keep working exactly the same until we finish row number 25. So just make 9 single crochets as previously. Keep working until you finish row number 25, and we'll see in a moment. This is how my work looks like after row number 25. Here I will just chain 1 and I will cut the yarn. You don't have to leave long tail, you just have to weave in this end, so don't worry. Now we have to join 2 sides of our bag together and finish the edges, and we will make it all at once. So turn your work like this, so the stitch markers you have on your right. Now you will insert your crochet hook here into the 9th row. So here you have a stitch marker in the 8th row, but we'll enter with our hook here into the next place, so into the 9th row. And here I will take my thread again, make a slip knot, attach your yarn, I will chain 1 to secure it. Okay, and now insert your hook again into the same space where you attached the yarn. And now I will take out my stitch marker. You will fold this part like this, and you will enter with your hook into this place where you had a stitch marker. So just into the next space. Okay, now grab your yarn and make a single crochet. This is how it looks like. Okay, now insert your hook into the next space and to the next one on the opposite space, on the opposite side. So here, and also make a single crochet. So here we have 2 single crochets. We'll have a total of 8 single crochets because, as you remember, here we had 8 stitches until this moment. Now enter into the next stitch and into the opposite one. So we have stitch number 3. Now here we have 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Here and here, this is the last one. So this is how it looks here, and this is how it looks on this side. So we joined to the end this part. Now we keep working on this side. So I will start counting again. Here into the next space, we will make our single crochet number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And here we are coming to this last row number 25 we made. And here into this first stitch, we'll make 3 single crochet in the same place. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Here is how we created a corner. Now we will keep making just 1 single crochet in each stitch, and we will count 7 stitches. So here we have our stitch number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And here we have our last stitch. And again, we will create a corner, so we will make 3 single crochet in the same space. 2 and 3. Now we will keep working on this edge. So again, as here, we will make 8 single crochets on the side. So starting from this one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And now again, we will work through both sides. So enter into the next stitch, but also into the first side here from this part. And just make again 8 single crochets. Be super careful to not miss any stitch or to not make like 2 single crochets in the same place. Okay. Here we have 1. Here we will have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and take out your stitch marker. So I make here my stitch number 8, chain 1, and cut the yarn. This is how it looks like. Now you just have to weave in all these ends and your tiny crochet clutch is ready. And as I said, in the next video I will show you how you can decorate them and how to add some special straps so you can create as many original bags as you want. So subscribe for more crochet tutorials for dolls and see you next time.